Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Datadog, monitor infrastructure and metrics step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.datadoghq.com and hit enter. Wait for the Datadog homepage to fully load. Locate the login button, usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to the login page. In the space provided, enter your registered email address. Next, move to the password field. Type in your password carefully. If you prefer, you can check the box to remember your login details. Once you have entered your email and password, click on the login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to your Datadog dashboard. In case you forget your password, click the Forgot Password link on the login page. Follow the prompts to reset your password through your email. After successfully logging in, explore the dashboard to monitor your infrastructure and metrics. Familiarize yourself with the various sections of the platform. You are now ready to start monitoring your systems effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.